Hello. In this video, I will show you how to offset red light. When welding, the welding effect like this. This welding wire is not completely melted through. The laser hit in the left side instead of center. This is a red light that is not in the center of the welding wire. The result is in above. Check if the welding wire is in the copper nozzle, in the wire feeding groove. Then recheck how much offset of the red light on the welding wire. The current red light is about 1 millimeter to the left. Click Parameters on the controller interface. Password is 123,456. Click to confirm. Enter the settings interface. Find the swing center. The current red light is to the left, so I turn the red light to the right, within the current parameters. Increase the value to 3. Now the parameter is -3.
So we adjust to 0, -3加3.
The value increases by 1 step. The red light is shifted by about 0.3 millimeters. Click Save Parameters. Recheck whether is the red light in the center of the welding wire. The current red light is already in the center of the welding wire, because it is visual inspection. There may be deviations after modification. Parameters can be adjusted multiple times. If the red light is to the right, decrease the value. This is the welding effect after adjusting the red light. Good. Red light offset adjustment tutorial completed.